we can move to the next topic, which again is a little bit technical and it's a little bit linked to the previous topic, which is group registration codes. What could this be used for? Well, we have different types of clients, in different industries, but one of the things that we see is sometimes they want to allow people to register to their platform freely, but they want to be able to segment them. So they want to be able to say, this is for a certain store, or this is for a certain school, or a certain team, or a certain country. And so what we realize is that we need some kind of code or link for that so that people can allow self-registration, but that you, for example, then also supply a special code so that they're immediately segmented into the correct group. And this is something that Gabor has been working on with the technical team as well. So I think, Gabor, you're again the best person to describe probably how this really works. But it's also quite an exciting feature.
Yes, you actually very well summarized the goal for this feature, but also very important that many times our clients said, yes, there is a new person who is registering on the platform. And while we have different kind of automations, like how to add them to groups, still many cases, the administrators have to come back to the platform and say, okay, I see there's a new person and I need to figure out who this person is. Like in sport context, a coach, a judge, an athlete, or from enterprise context, which department this person is from, legal, marketing, whatsoever. So it is kind of an admin task, and it is sometimes, it can take time, and we always try to streamline things. And in this case, this administrator could say, okay, I don't know, I have n number of groups in the system. For some of the groups, I allow this kind of self-registration, self-assignment. So I create this code or link. Some clients would like to use codes, some direct links. It's kind of the same thing. So if someone is using this code during registration or clicks this link and arrives the registration page using this link, then they will be automatically assigned or be part of that specific group. It's really great. Let's say you really have like a group of people for a specific assignment or test to take. So you create a group, you create your test on the platform, and you say this group accesses this test, and you send out this link to register on the platform and automatically access this group. So this is what it is about. We also allow switching between groups. Well, it's a setting you want to allow or not. But once someone is part of a group, if you give them another code, they can switch between groups. That's also a possibility. But it's really for streamlining primarily the registration process to be already part of the group that the person needs to be.
Yeah, no, that's great. So thanks a lot for that detailed description, Gabor. I think that's really clear. And of course, if anyone would like to use them, you can just reach out to us and we can help you set that up, because that's perhaps a little bit more advanced in the beginning just to get your head around it. But yeah, we hope that will really improve the workflow for a lot of different things. Or if you want to do a special activation, it can be really useful as well to make sure you know where people are coming from.